Hello everyone, welcome back again to another Foxtecc video, and in this one we're gonna tackle a common issue, and that is why your Apple Watch isn't notifying you of messages. If you're missing important notifications on your Apple Watch, it can be quite frustrating, right? So there are several potential reasons for this problem, and I'm gonna walk you through some of them to help you troubleshoot this problem. At first, let's talk about the basic notification settings. Your Apple Watch should mirror the notification settings from your iPhone by default, but sometimes this synchronization can get out of sync. To check this, open the Watch app on your iPhone and then go to the Messages section. Here you can choose between mirroring your iPhone or using custom settings. And if you're using custom settings, as you probably should, just make sure that notifications are enabled and configured the way you want. Sometimes simply toggling the settings off and on can help reset any issues, but if you don't have any notifications enabled to begin with, this could definitely be a reason why you're not getting any alerts on your watch. Another potential issue could be connectivity. If your Apple Watch is not the cellular model, it relies on being connected to your iPhone to receive notifications. So if your iPhone is too far away from your watch, or if there is a connection issue, this could explain why you're not getting notifications. Just make sure your iPhone is within range and that there are no obstructions or interference causing connectivity problems. Additionally, ensure that airplane mode is not enabled on your iPhone, as this would disconnect your watch from your phone, of course. For those with a cellular Apple Watch, make sure your watch has a proper cellular connection. Sometimes the watch might lose its connection to the internet while your iPhone is still connected, in which case, the poor signal strength or issues with cellular provider could do that. So just ensure that the cellular plan is active and that your watch is connected to the network. Another important aspect is keeping your devices up to date. In general, just making sure both your iPhone and Apple Watch are running the latest version of their respective operating systems. So Apple, of course, frequently releases them. Some of them are more important than others, but generally speaking, bugs get resolved with software updates. So make sure to keep them up to date, all right? So perhaps you might try resetting or unpairing and repairing your devices. But before this, make sure you back up your watch to not lose any data. But these are essentially all the things you can do. But I believe that by now you already have your problem fixed. So hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'll catch you in the future.